I got wedges. That's about as good as I can do. But hey, listen, I'm pinking out here, right? That's a lot of pink for me. All right.
It's such an important thing for our youth to build up and for parents to kind of teach our young ones the right way. And being involved with things like this and events that put on with the awareness and the publicity here, it's been great for us.
This is the manliest thing I do every year is put on women's shoes. This is extremely painful, but listen, it's worth it. And I hope next year we have double the number of people we had this year out here wearing women's shoes.
Yeah, well, my wife helped me out with this, and football is pretty hard, but this has been a whole new challenge for me walking in these shoes. So it's been fun. I didn't roll my ankle, so I don't have to explain anything when I get back to Cleveland.